Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Channel. I'm Emily.
Hi, Daniel here. So happy you're joining us today.
It's 2026, and many of you are ready to speak English more, but a lot of intermediate learners wait. You wait for perfect grammar. You think, I need to know all the rules first.
I waited too. I studied hard, but in real life, when someone spoke to me, I froze, heart racing, felt embarrassed, like everyone would laugh.
We understand you. English learners everywhere feel this fear, scared of mistakes, worried about fast speech, afraid of looking silly. But today, speak early. Don't wait. Start with simple sentences. Mistakes help you grow. You become more confident.
Yes, let's look at why this fear happens and how to change it.
If this speaks to you, like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's go.
Fear often begins in simple places, like a shop. You want a shirt. You think, do you have this in medium? But your mind says, wrong word, seller annoyed. You stay silent, leave, regret later.
Yes, those moments feel big. You stand there, seconds pass, then you walk away. And next time, fear is stronger. That regret makes you wait even more.
I did that with shoes once. Went home empty-handed, felt silly, but really, it was just fear talking.
Restaurants add more pressure. You order, I'd like chicken, please. Waiter asks, spicy? Side dish? Fast speech. You panic, say something wrong, get wrong food, face hot, want to disappear.
My funny one, asked for soup, but meant salad. Waiter brought soup. Table laughed kindly. I felt embarrassed for days, but now I laugh too.
That's key. People are kind when you try. They see effort, not perfection.
Travel or new places bring big fear. Lost. You want, where is the bus stop? But think, answer too long? Too fast? I won't understand. You nod, go wrong way, feel frustrated.
And if you ask, you can always say, sorry, slower, please. That's not weak. It's smart. Shows you care about learning.
Work or friends hurt deep. Someone asks, how was your day? You have answer, but grammar worry, tense, wrong. You say good or nothing. Miss real talk. Feel alone.
I missed so many conversations, felt separate, but one small, I had fun starts everything.
Phones are hardest. No face to read. Delivery says ETA, location, slang, speed. You freeze, say short words, hang up, feel bad.
But you can say, can you repeat? Most people help. Fear is normal. Trying makes it smaller. Waiting makes fear grow. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. But speaking early, small tries build confidence fast.
I started simple. Cafe, coffee, please. Felt proud. Next time, added more. Fear got smaller.
Work counts. People respect trying. Confidence comes from action, not perfect rules.
My wins said, can I ask at work? Boss answered, felt strong. Or in shop, this one, please. Understood, proud.
These small moments add up. You think, I can do this. Fear turns to hope. Let's practice. Role plays. Real situations. Pause. Repeat with us. Safe here. First, shop.
Excuse me, jeans in size 34?
Yes. Try.
Thanks.
Good. Clear. Second, restaurant.
Pasta with chicken, no spice, water.
Okay. Soon. See? You handled it.
Now let's do sentences you can use today. Repeat after us, out loud, many times. Mirror, phone record, safe. These help in most situations.
Say them slow first, then faster. even if tense wrong. Keep going. Excuse me, do you have this in? I'd like to order the, please. Could you make it quick? Not spicy? No sugar? Sorry, can you say that again slowly?
And you can say, I don't understand this word. What does it mean? Thank you for helping me. My English is still improving, but I'm trying. How was your day?
Repeat these 5 to 10 times a day. Use one in real life soon. You'll feel stronger.
Mistakes happen. I said wrong word. People look confused. I feel shame. But now I know, pause, smile, fix it.
Yes, when confusion comes, say these. Sorry, I mean, can you explain again? I'm learning. Thank you for patience. Most people wait. They smile. They help. That moment turns fear into connection.
Once I said, I'm hot for weather, meant warm. Friend laughed, then helped me say right. We became closer.
Mistakes make stories. Stories make friends. Don't hide them. Let's do 2 more role plays. Directions first. Very common when traveling or new place.
Excuse me, how do I get to the nearest supermarket?
Go straight 2 blocks, turn left at the lights. It's on the right side.
Sorry, could you repeat the part about the lights slowly?
Sure. Straight 2 blocks, left at lights, right side.
Got it. Thank you so much.
See? You asked, you checked, you understood. Real win.
Felt good, not scary.
Now phone call. Imagine delivery.
Hello? Yes, this is me.
Hi, the estimated time of arrival is 10 minutes. Where exactly are you?
Near the park. Sorry, can you speak slower?
No problem. Near the park. Look for white van.
Okay, thank you.
You handled speed. You asked for slow. Perfect.
Think back. Before, you stayed quiet. Now, you say one sentence. Feel proud. That's progress. Celebrate it.
Say to yourself, I tried today. Good job. Even if mistake, even if slow. Pride grows confidence.
I still feel nervous sometimes, but now I think, it's okay. I'm learning. That changes everything.
Start a habit. 1 sentence a day. In shop, with friend, on phone. Write it down, say it, feel it.
I do this. Morning mirror. Hello, how are you? Then use it real. Gets easy.
No pressure for perfect, just try. Week by week, you speak more, fear less. So remember, don't wait for perfect grammar. Speak early in shops, restaurants, directions, work chats, phones. Fear is there, but trying makes it smaller.
Mistakes teach. Small wins build confidence. You are doing this. Worldwide learners are too. You can.
Thank you for being here. You're brave just for listening, just for thinking about speaking more.
If you feel shy, scared, embarrassed, it's okay. We feel it too. You're not alone. You're safe. Start small. Speak early. We're proud of you.
In the comments, tell us, what situation is hardest for you? Shop? Restaurant? Phone? A funny mistake you made? 1 sentence you'll try today. We read every comment. We care.
If this helped, like, subscribe, bell on. More real life coming.
Try 1 small English sentence today, even imperfect. You've got this.
Bye for now. See you soon.
Bye. Take care.